I'm tied up. I'm all tied up. What does that mean? Instead of saying the adjective I'm busy, kept occupied, or engaged, I can say I'm tied up. I'm all tied up. If I say I'm tied up or I'm all tied up, I just mean I'm busy doing something. Here are some other examples in context. She's tied up at the moment and can't say you. The phone was tied up for almost an hour. I'm sorry, sir. Mr. Patterson is all tied up now. Can I take a message? I'm afraid I can't help you right now, James. I'm all tied up at work. I will be free this evening, though. A meeting? I'm all tied up until the 15th of this month, but I'm free on the 16th. Would 10:30 on the 16th work for you? There are other uses of the phrase tie up. For example, tie up the boat. Or restrain from moving or operating normally. Traffic is tied up for miles around the bridge where the accident occurred. Another meaning could be to invest so as to make unavailable for other purposes. For example, all my money is tied up in long-term investments. The man is tying up his tie. This person is tying up a gift box with a ribbon. The young farmer is tying up tomato plants. That's all about the idiom tied up. Don't forget to use it in daily conversations when you want to mean very busy, unable to speak to someone, unable to go somewhere. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't hesitate to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already. All the best to everyone out there. See you in the next video.